Winning Databricks APJ Innovation Partner of the Year award isn't an endpoint, it's more than an honor. It's a testament to 3 years of deep partnership with Databricks, driven by 175 plus experts and 7 key milestones. But truly, this is just the beginning of what's next. Picture this, transactional databases and AI working as one. That's Lakebase, a breakthrough from Databricks. It runs on low-cost cloud storage, unifies analytics and operations, and brings open-source flexibility to enterprise-scale challenges. No more silos, just pure speed and simplicity. Generative AI isn't just for experiments anymore. With Agent Bricks and Mosaic AI, we're helping businesses build purpose-built AI agents in hours, not months. Think fraud detection, predictive maintenance, or customer insights. All running on serverless GPUs with built-in governance. Real AI for real impact. The future isn't a pile of disconnected tools, it's a unified operating system for data and AI. With MLflow 3.0 managing GenAI lifecycles, Databricks apps for building full-stack solutions, and open standards like Iceberg and Unity Catalog, everything connects seamlessly. So where are we headed? By late 2025, we'll launch GenAI accelerators for retail and manufacturing, backed by dedicated R&D. Then comes BrickBuilder 2.0 for effortless data pipelines, expanded lakehouse offerings, and co-innovation labs with Databricks. By 2026, we'll double our certified talent pool and open an APJ co-innovation hub, all to turn your data into growth faster. If you're tired of AI pilots that never go live, we get it. At Bizmetric, we help you deploy production-ready Gen AI in weeks, not years. Email us at marketing@bizmetric.com, DM or tag us at BizmetricOfficial, or pay a visit to www.bizmetric.com. You shouldn't have to choose between innovation and control. Let us help you build a brilliantly agile and securely governed future. Contact us today.